toi te te reo me piata mai te kōrero te reo tuku I ho te reo oho oho kōrero rero atu kōrero rero mai aura ki mata tu titia ki te rai
Mauri ora e te iwi I tēnei rangi kei te tūtaki au I tētahi o ngā kai waiata rongonui putanoi te motu kai whakaari, kai haka tētahi puti puti no taumutu a ko wai atu, ko wai mai ko Aporonia Arahanga tērā nā reira e te iwi ko aukahatia te waka ko haere You don't have to worry about a thing You don't have to worry, gotta let it go Knowing all your troubles in the wind Girl, look all of them bags You've been shopping
Just a little bit.
Haramai, haramai, haramai Yo Tēnā whenea. Nau I whakawātia ki te kōrero. I'm glad I picked you up on the side of the road.
Kia ora, sister.
And some shopping. Nā reira, te tūtahi hei whakamōra atu ki te hunga mātaki. Tō whakapapa. Ea tō whakapapa.
Kia ora. Kātia ke ka tika. Me timata ki taku taha. O ki te taho taku whaia, taku mama. No Ngai Tahu ia, so no Ngai Tahu ahau.
Kia ora.
He ori tēnei no te whare o Ngāti Moki o Taumutu Marae. Kati ake he honanga hoki oku ki te arawa ki ngā puhi Ngāti Rangi. Taranaki hoki. Engari atu I tērā, he ori tēnei no ngā iwi maha o te motu, so...
Yeah, no ngā iwi maha, right?
Yeah, no ngā hau e whā. I taha Pākehā tōku hoki. No inga rangi tōku pāpā, te rataha o te whānau. Yeah, koe nā.
Rawe, sister. Did you grow up singing? Because like haka I tipu ake koe te ao haka?
Ai, yeah, so I taku tamarikitanga I kuraina au ki te kurakapapa Māori o Wairarapa. Back home in Masterton, I went to the kurakapapa there. And not only did I learn kapahaka and te reo Māori and, you know, those things, I was brought up with a whānau who are deeply, deeply involved in kapahaka. So my parents, my grandparents, they were in Te Kotaitanga, which is obviously the OG. And when we moved to the Wairarapa, they were involved in kapahaka rōpū there. Whānau whānui, I actually can't remember. They started a rōpū called Amokura.
Wow!
Yeah, way back in the day with my nan, my mum, my dad, my auntie and uncle, and also another auntie and uncle from the Wairarapa, and they did a lot of touring around the Pacific Islands mainly, and just around the motu and stuff, doing kapahaka and I guess enlightening people and showing them te ao Māori, te ao kapahaka. You know, it was really cool because we got to go along to those kinds of things as well. The kapahaka has been a huge part of my upbringing and my whānau.
Is it where, because you go from te taha haka and then you go into te taha waiata, that's where the compositions come. You have your own compositions as well, because you would take haka as well.
Yeah. So I don't pride myself a whole lot in composition, mainly because I write very, very basic waiata, and but with that I try to make them very beautiful. So I guess yeah, te taha kapahaka has really brought me into learning about my skills as a performer, as a tutor, I guess, and also as a composer when it comes to kapahaka.
I tū koe ki te kōrero I roto I ngā whakataitai mani kōrero. How was that?
Growing up as a Arahanga kid, it was part of the upbringing to do mani kōrero. My brothers weren't as lucky as me, didn't have to do it every year, but yeah, it was really I guess, for me, the same as performing.
It didn't stop at kura.
No.
So you come out of kura, and then now we see you on screen, hearing you through the radio, music. That became a huge part of your life after kura, eh?
Yeah.
Even during kura.
Mm.
So you were still at school when you were with the pukana whānau, eh?
Yes. Yes, I was in high school. I was going through my ugly phase at that stage. I was, you know, had no sense of fashion or beauty or art. No, I'm just kidding. But I tukua tētahi karere mai ki taku kura. I was one of the more advanced reo speakers or reo learners, I guess, at my kura. So they thought they would invite me to audition, and I auditioned at the venue, and yeah.
Wow.
Too much credit ain't enough credit. I'm getting money off my rough edits, middle fingers up.
So I was like, oh my gosh, how did I manage to snag this opportunity to sing with all these great, amazing, talented people? And I happen to be the only person from the South Island to get chosen, which is even more special.
That's huge.
And yeah, it was a massive experience. It opened my eyes to, obviously, opportunities like that and not letting them pass. So
that's awesome.
Thank you, Mum and Dad, for forcing me to do that audition, because where would I be without that?
Your latest gig has been on film in front of the camera.
Yes.
And Hinekura has won so many awards and beats your auntie, eh?
Yes.
Your auntie.
Yeah.
Now, how did that happen? How did all that turn into?
Well, it's a great story, actually. So she came to the South Island. She lives in Wellington. She came to the South Island to do a bit of research for a film that she just started writing about. And she said, you know, the kaupapa just took over her, and she had to write about the story. And she came to our house and was like, hey, I've written this film and I wrote this character thinking of you.
Oh, wow.
And I can't have anybody else play it, so you have to be in my film. And I was like, oh my gosh. Wow, you know, ehara tērā I taku momo. I am not an actress, although I might be very dramatic and diva-ish sometimes. No, she saw that, you know, I embodied this character and that I would be able to play it well and correctly, and so yeah, she told me, you're acting in my movie and that's it, and this character is based on you, so it should be fine. And
it's a beautiful film.
Yeah.
Tētahi o ngā wahanga o te kiriatura, ka waiata koe tētahi waiata. Taua waiata nā Meisirika I Tito. How were you able to work with Macy during the shoot?
We were. So we did a workshop maybe for a month before we started shooting, and during one of our acting workshops we were getting Skype, and I was like, oh my gosh, who's this gonna be? Ooh, and Macy Dick pops up, and instantly I'm like, oh my gosh. Instantly, you know, speechless, because Macy's just kare he kupu. Kare he kupu mō tana, you know, awesomeness.
Yo.
But yeah, and she came on and was like, yeah, so we're gonna use this waiata and I'm gonna start singing and you guys start singing. And that was literally it. She was on the computer and she'd sing a line and then we sang a line. And then yeah, that's how we learnt the song. We had to learn it really quick too, because we had a month before we were shooting. But no, it was really beautiful. It's a really beautiful song.
It is. And now looking at what you're doing now, looking for the iwi, do you use as much as you can te reo within your mahi?
Yes, I try to utilise it as much as possible. You know, whether it be to start a waiata after whai kōrero, or I don't know if it's to translate for some whānau who aren't sure what's going on, that, you know, I'm very, very conscious of the way that I utilise my reo, and that I'm keeping it and using it so it doesn't fade away. Te reo Māori was my first language. I went to kura kaupapa, and for a lot of my life I guess attribute my being and the way I am to growing up in this world, in te ao Māori, in kapahaka, in manu kōrero, you know, so I really, really am trying to hold on to it.
Tau pēsista. E pāna ki tō tātou nei reo, tō tāua reo, Māori. Do you think te reo is at a stage now where it's not me tatamate? Do you think we're now in the position to...
I think we're moving towards it. I don't think we're past the line. I think we're in a good place with te reo Māori. I think people are more and more interested and more intrigued, and also I think people are really learning about themselves and learning about how to stay connected to their culture and to their being.
Absolutely. Pērā ki te ao mataora.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pai tērā. I runga i tērā, he au moe a mō ngā tau kei te hiki. Mō ngā rangatahi pia. Those who are struggling to identify that they're even Māori, let alone, you know, learning te reo. He kupu ake au ngā rangatahi?
I guess tūwhitia te hopo, man. Don't be scared. There may be times where you feel a bit intimidated. And, you know, I nei, kei te tino weri aku pona. He mea tino whakamataku te ako i tētahi reo, te rapea he hou. Koutou mā, if you're learning, you know, me tonu, ki te kaupapa, kia kaha, kia maia, kia tiro manawa nui o mahi. You can do it. You can do it! Yeah, kei a koe ngā pukinga.
Tēnā koe a Aporonia. Nā me whakawaita ki te kōrero.
Kia ora, sister.
Done.
Yeah.
Sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, I could talk all day with you.
Yeah, I know.
Nā reira rai, te iwi ko tērā ko Aporonia Arahanga kei roto I te whare, utonu mai a tērā wiki ka hoki mai a Tahu Taxi.
See ya, he mea tautoko
Tokona te manga.
Paho.